I want to Wales where everybody has a place to live.
I want to Wales where community energy is commonplace in communities right around Wales.
Where schools empower young people to live sustainable lives.
Fe hoffwn I weld Cymru yn wlad deg ddwyieithog.
I want to Wales where we're one community, where people can live together, be there for each other, and we're not disjointed.
Where I know that my children can live in a safe environment.
Where there are lots of sporty activities.
I'd like to see a Wales where everybody thinks about the common good and is willing to take responsibility for it.
Where everyone has a safe and warm place to live.
Rydw i eisiau Cymru lle mae cyfartaledd a chyfleoedd I bawb.
I want a Wales where everyone can live a dignified life.
Where we have a thriving business community, providing jobs and skills for our young people and producing products and services that are recognised for their quality worldwide.
Where private investors choose it as a destination of choice.
Where everybody has a place to work.
Where all young people dream big dreams.
I want to Wales where everyone is truthful to themselves.
Where the environment and the people and communities are looked after so that it's safe and good to leave for my grandchildren.
That they can still live in the beautiful area where I do live and perhaps carry on some of the traditions.
It's where everybody is proud to be who they are.
It's where we can survive on our own resources rather than other people's.
Mae Cymru ddiam yn cynnig bwyd lleol o ansawdd uchel I bawb.
I want to Wales where everyone and everything is healthy.
I want a Wales where everyone realises that coming together, caring for one another, working together, caring for our landscape, caring for people beyond Wales is the only future for humankind.
Hoffwn I Gymru ble mae pawb yn byw gyda'n gilydd ac yn byw mewn hedd.
I want a